Welcome back to another video and a very happy 2026. In this video, I will expose myself, show you how I declutter my wardrobe, and I hope you can also use this video to declutter your wardrobe in the same way. I will also show you all the items that I'm letting go of and how do I come to a conclusion of what items I declutter. I hope this video is informational and useful for you, and I will see you in the video. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the clothes that I have on the bed so that I can take inventory of all of the clothes that I already own before I make any new purchases in 2026. The same goes for you. There are a lot of winter sales happening, and this is the video you can follow along before you buy anything in sales. So I invite you to open your wardrobe now and do this together with me. Put all of your clothes on the bed so that we can take inventory of what you have, and this is going to make the process so much easier. I have just put my first drawer here. This is all the stuff from the first drawer, and we are going to organize this first before we go ahead and go to the main closet. So let's do that now. These are all pieces that I actually really like already, and I know that I'm going to keep them. So I'm just going to organize this very quickly. So now it's time to go on to the main wardrobe. It is very overwhelming because there's a lot there, but let me show it to you now. So this is my main wardrobe. This is how it looks like. There is a lot of stuff. It is absolutely overwhelming, and the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to put everything on the bed and show you the process so that when you really just take out all the things, it's so much easier than doing it one by one. So let's do it. The way I'm going to put these back is by using occasion theory in a way that I will segment my clothes based on where I'm wearing these clothes. For example, winter coats, blazers, jackets, work clothes, everything is going to be sorted out by occasion instead of color, because this is going to help you understand where you need these clothes for, and it's basically helping remove the decision fatigue when it comes to dressing. Obviously, within that category itself, you can organize them by color, but organizing them by occasion is so much better. Again, after you've done that, whenever you see an item that you're not wearing but it's still in good condition, what you're going to do is reverse the hanger so that you know the next time you audit your closet that you haven't actually touched this item. And I'm going to show you exactly how I will do that. Notice how I'm putting the items back. When it comes to wearing items that I absolutely love, I am putting the hanger away from me. That means it's absolutely straightforward. I just put the hanger like this. When it comes to items that I haven't worn in a while, I'm putting the hanger in the opposite direction so that I know the next time I audit my wardrobe, these are the items that I haven't touched. So just reverse the hanger so that you know the next time you audit your wardrobe, these are the items that you haven't worn in a while. And these are items that you actually like wearing, but you just haven't worn in a while. So they're not really going in the maybe pile. They're just going in the reverse direction. So we've actually managed to do really well. Look at everything now. Things are still on my bed, but this is just occasion wear, which I'm going to just sort out. Apart from that, we've put everything into the wardrobe, and this is my maybe pile. All the things that I've really not been wearing recently, I'm going to try them on and we're going to style them to see if we are keeping them or letting them go. And this is how my wardrobe looks like now. As you can see, I have organized everything by occasion. So all my fur coats are in one corner because they're mostly going out winter wear things, and then I have my long dresses here. All of my long dresses are here. Some of my occasion wear is here as well. And then all of my work blazers are in this wardrobe. So you can see everything is organized by occasion, and this is how it looks like. So this is how my wardrobe looks like after I just decluttered everything. And it is so much more organized. Yes, we need to sort out this pile. So this pile, most of the stuff is going to go into that case so that we have everything organized. And this is what I'm going to try on for you very shortly. That was such a workout, but finally I have organized my wardrobe. Everything is organized into piles. I also have a pile of the items that I'm going to sell. I will show them to you also. But now for the maybe pile, I changed into a more of a neutral outfit so that I can really try on all the pieces and decide what it is that I want to keep and what it is that I want to let go of. I would also recommend you do the same. Change into a neutral outfit, and then it is so much easier to try on the pieces and decide what do you want to keep and what do you want to let go of. So let's do this together. This is the first piece that we will try on. I actually used to love this piece, but it's been a while since I haven't worn it. So let's see. This is how it looks. I like it, but I don't love it. That's my problem with this. I actually need a turtleneck to go with this just because of the neckline. I don't think this neckline suits this type of blazer. If I close it, it looks better. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you think I should keep this or give it away. Even though the detailing on this is absolutely stunning, I just haven't worn this. I haven't worn this in so long. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to still keep it in the maybe pile. I'm not going to sell it or give it away. I'm just going to keep it and see if in the next few months I will wear it or not. And if not, then it's time for it to go. I also recommend the same to you and my clients. When you feel like the piece is absolutely stunning, you don't want to let it go, just park it and then revisit it and see if you're going to come back to it. This is our next piece. Let's try this. This is actually absolutely stunning, but let's see how it looks like now. This is how it looks. I actually really like this piece. It's very classy. It's so elegant. And it gives a bit of 90s Chanel vibes. I mean, it's very elegant and classic. Even this outfit on its own, I can just wear this to work. It's so good. So definitely gonna keep this one. And even this outfit with a nice belt, stunning. So we're gonna keep this. Now let's go into the next one. This is my next piece. I actually really like this one also. It's just that I haven't worn it in a while, so I think I just have to get more creative with my wardrobe and start styling the pieces that I haven't worn in a while. This is so good. Look at this outfit. It looks like a Chanel outfit. I absolutely love it. And even with some pearls, it's going to look so good. I actually really like it. Not put the buttons properly, actually. Let me do that correctly. This is how it looks. I love it. I'm going to keep this. Let's move on to the next one now. This is my next piece. I actually love this one as well, although again the same problem, I haven't worn it in so long. If I look at the outfit, the only drawback is that the silhouette is a little bit, I'm just going to show you the silhouette now. So if you look at the silhouette, it's kind of broad here and it should be a little bit more tailored. That's my only drawback with this blazer, although it is still a beautiful one. So what I'm going to do with this blazer is I'm going to keep it in the baby pile just like I have kept the pink one, just so I know if I'm going to use it or not. And that is what I recommend to all of my clients and also to you. Let's move on to the next one. This is our next outfit. Blazer, I must say. So this is also same issue like the blue one. Kind of the problem is the tailoring of the piece on the waist size. I really like it when the piece is tailored to my waist because that is when I get that really nice cinch look. But for these type of blazers, instead of wearing it with a skirt, how I usually would wear it would be with a trousers or something like that, because that is when you would get that flattering A-line silhouette which this blazer is giving. Again, this is actually good. I would say I don't love it. I just have worn these items so much that I think I've gotten out of them a little bit, and I just need to get a little bit more creative with how I style them. And one way would be to style it with a turtleneck and a really nice pair of trousers. That would be a really good way to style this piece. I will keep it for now and let's see if I'm able to style it. This is my last blazer for you, and then we have a couple of dresses, so let's go. Again, this is giving such a Chanel vibe. Let me show you the final look. This is how it looks. I like it, but then again, there's something about it that I don't love. Because I've worn these pieces so much, I feel like they've worn out a little bit and they've lost their feeling of enthusiasm when it comes to when I wear them. I don't feel excited to wear these pieces, even though they look so stunning. There's no feeling of I would be so excited to wear this tomorrow. And this is something I always tell my clients when we are decluttering their wardrobe. You always have to ask yourself, are you going to be excited to wear this tomorrow? And that's the best way to declutter your wardrobe. And if you're not excited, then that pile can go into the maybe pile for a longer time so that you can know, are you feeling inclined to go back to that piece? And if yes, then that piece deserves a space in your wardrobe. So I'm going to do the same with this blazer. Even though it's so stunning, it gives a Chanel vibe, I will keep it in the maybe pile and see if I return to it. So this is the next outfit from the maybe pile. I actually love this. I'm going to keep it. I just haven't worn it in a while because I just have so many dresses, but this is something I will definitely keep. It's so beautiful and it makes me feel amazing. That is one thing that you should note. If the outfit is not making you feel amazing, is it really worth keeping that piece? And even though those blazers were so beautiful, they're just not making me feel as amazing as I feel in my other outfits. And that is one of the reasons that those are going in the maybe pile or potentially going to be sold. Also, I mean, this dress is just stunning. I mean, it's so beautiful. Let's try the next dress now. This is the next outfit. It's actually really beautiful. Look at the back. It is backless. I really like the back, and this is something my mom gave me. But again, I haven't worn this in forever. I've only worn this dress once. And it's not something I'm very excited to wear, to be very honest with you, because the color is not something that is very flattering. And I have so many other outfits that I'd rather wear. So this is something I would keep in the maybe pile as well, just because I just don't wear this dress. Even though it's stunning, it's not something I'm excited to wear. So it is unfortunately going in the maybe pile. So now that we've managed to narrow down the pieces that are going to be sold, the pieces that I no longer wear are going to be gotten rid of. Tomorrow is where I will head down to the charity shop and let go of those pieces, and you will come with me and I will break down all the pieces that I'm selling, all the pieces that I'm letting go of tomorrow. I am so happy with the progress that we made together in this video. We decluttered my entire closet. That was just amazing. And you also got an understanding of how I usually declutter. I always declutter like this, and this has been working wonders for me. So I hope that this also works for you. And tomorrow is when we can go to the charity shop together and drop off the items. I will see you in that bit of the video. Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of the vlog, where we are going to be going to the charity shop together and letting go of the pieces that I've decided to give away. I have a lot of pieces to give away, but look at my outfit today. Look at how beautifully I've styled this cardigan from yesterday into this gorgeous Chanel-esque outfit. I absolutely love the outfit and I hope you like it too. But look at all the pieces that I'm giving away today. It's a lot of stuff. We are going to the charity shop together on New Year's Eve today, and when you're watching, it's already 2026, but today is New Year's Eve when I'm filming this video, and I'm super excited to be celebrating New Year's Eve with you here, decluttering my wardrobe. So let's go to the charity shop together to drop off these items.